In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a line into a polyline. This process can be incredibly useful when working with vector graphics or CAD drawings, as it allows you to manipulate the shape as a single entity, rather than dealing with multiple individual lines. It's a simple trick, but a game changer for keeping your projects organized and efficient. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is identify and select the set of lines you wish to convert into a polyline. This might mean zooming in for a closer look to ensure you've got a precise handle on all the pieces you're working with. Often in design programs, holding down the Shift key can help you select multiple elements at once. Take your time here to make sure you capture every line segment that you want to include in your polyline. This step is crucial because if any part is left out, it won't be included in the conversion, and later modifications could become cumbersome. Once you've got your selection ready, double-check to ensure no additional unwanted lines were included. It's always a good idea to verify your selection carefully, especially if you're working with complex drawings or designs with many overlapping elements. This can prevent issues down the line and save you the hassle of undoing and redoing your work. Now that you've confirmed your selection, the magic happens in the command line. You're going to type in the command join. This simple command is the key to converting your selected lines into a single polyline. After typing join, press enter to execute the command. The join function essentially merges all the selected lines into a single continuous polyline. By doing so, you're able to manipulate or style this polyline as one unit. This can be incredibly useful for efficiently managing your drawing elements, especially when moving or resizing them as part of larger projects. That's really all there is to it. With these few simple steps, you've successfully converted your individual lines into a unified polyline. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try this technique on different sets of lines to get a feel for it and experiment with your workflow. The more comfortable you become with this process, the more streamlined your design and editing tasks will become. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to convert line into polyline. If you found this helpful and want to see more tips and tricks for streamlining your design work, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy designing.